Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah with GotSafety here with today's lesson on forklift safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. A forklift, jitney, high-low, or lift truck is an industrial truck that is designed to maneuver within industrial areas with a variety of functions and purposes. Those may include heavy lifting machinery, crates and boxes, and removing stock off racks and shelves. A forklift may be powered in several ways such as propane, electricity, gas, and diesel. Before we begin, we'll go over general requirements for using a forklift. We'll then be discussing safe operations and how to safely load and unload materials. There are some general requirements you must fulfill when using a forklift. Firstly, all nameplates and markings must be in place. All modifications and additions which affect the safe operation and capacity must be approved by the manufacturer. Data labels must be changed accordingly. The approval must be in writing. If using front-end attachments other than the manufacturer's, the truck must be marked identifying the attachment and listing the approximate combined weight of the truck and attachment of maximum elevation with a centered load. Whenever you are loading or unloading materials, there are certain questions you should ask yourself. These are the times to be aware of your surroundings and pay close attention to your equipment. Is the load stable, or will parts slide or fall during transit? Do the dimensions and weight of the load fall within the capacity rating of the forklift at the highest elevation and extension? If not, break the load into smaller parts. When you pick up the load, move squarely into position in front of the load. Position the forks wide apart to keep the load balanced. Drive the forks fully under the load. Tilt the mast backward slightly to stabilize the load and lift. Next, check the destination before you place the load.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.